Manchester, round of applause, stamping of feet, and also wherever else you are watching in the world, please clap at home as well for Griot Gabriel.
I'm from a place where poor boys worship rich men. I'm from a place where we pull wheelies on bikes to wheeling black wheelie bins at night for bin men. I'm from smells of haze and dogs that bark at starry nights. I'm from a place where they try to gently gentrify. I'm from broken men that write stories with broken pens. I'm from a perfect God that uses broken men to tell stories written with their broken pens. I'm from a place where the new Nisa local will forever be called Charlie's. Because before Nisa became local, it was Charlie's that would charge me. I'm from bookies on every street corner. I'm from a place where we have prodigal sons because we first had prodigal fathers. I'm from a place where mom's wrinkled hands join in violent prayer. I'm from a place where Grand Theft Auto was idolized by infant eyes from the days of PS2 to PS5. I'm from a mother's teary eyes. I'm from a place where grand juries find joy in giving judgment to black boys with crooked laws like John Enterprise. I try to carry mother's pain. I'm my brother's keeper, so when I win, that's my brother's gain. I'm from a place where we either have red bloodshot skies or a blue moon, depending on the score on Derby Day. I'm from a place where prophets aren't accepted in their hometown, so they have to leave because it hurts to stay. I'm from a place where we hate to see the feds call. I love my city, though it's gritty, full of nitties. It's so peak in Piccadilly because the rent's tall. I'm from a place where if your friend dies, they say you must ride. I'm from gang wars between Longsight and Moss Side. I'm from empty fridge and empty belly. I'm from hangers as aerials to find signal on the telly. I'm from poverty. I'm from hood up means please don't bother me. I'm from MMU and uni of. I'm from damaged petals on roses, but they don't see the beauty of. I'm from adventure and powerhouse. I'm from my mum screaming, go charge the electricity before the power's out. I'm from a place where we set the usual urban scene. I'm from a place where there's an urban youth from the inner city and he's got urban dreams. I'm from a place where he's been molded by every bird in his postcode schemes. I'm from a place nicknamed LA, my postcode's M13. I'm from chiseled but yet disheveled men. I'm from a bag of man wearing man bags. I'm from a place where it's face in dirt and handcuffs. I'm from a place where we sell white flakes like dandruff. I'm from stop resisting. I'm from a place where stop resisting is a metaphor for I wish you just stop living. I'm from magnums and spliffs. I'm from handguns and shifting gears to drift. I'm from a place where we don't mess with the southern borders. I'm from a place where you can see a whole new world when you enter Northern Quarter. I'm from... Where you from, bro? I'm from you don't know the don't know. I'm from can anything good come from where I'm from? I don't really care what you think. I love where I'm from. I'm from a place where we scream 0161. I'm from a place where everyone's a walking contradiction. I'm from, you know where I'm from. Thank you.
Yeah. Yeah. I'm going to say that is one of the most beautiful love letters to Manchester ever. Like, literally. And for maybe those of us who are not from Manchester, you wouldn't have got the references, but yeah, it was a lot, man. It was a commentary of being 5 years old to being 35. Yeah, beautiful. Thank you, bro. You know how I feel about that poem anyway. Thank you so much. Again, another round of applause for our Manchester representative. Because we can't be partisan for a moment. That's okay. That's okay. Okay. We are going to keep it moving. We are going